Hey friends, if you wish to fix load library failed with error 87, the parameter is incorrect on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Okay, and then open the device manager. And then you can expand the list for the display adapters. Right click on the first one and select update drivers. Right click on the second one and then select update drivers once again. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and select run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to reinstall Microsoft C++ redistributable. So open any browser and then search for Microsoft C++ redistributable and hit enter, and then go to the Microsoft C++ redistributable page, and then you can go to the x64 page, click on open to install it, then select I agree to this agreement, install. You may get an option to simply repair it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.